How to control iPhone with your MacBook, iOS 18 or the Mac OS 15 Sequoia. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will show you exactly on how you can do this quickly and easily. Now, the first thing that you want to do is you want to make sure both of your devices is using the latest version, which is once again iOS 18 for iPhone and Mac OS 15 for your Mac OS. You can just head over to your settings, and from there you will be able to see software update. Right after updating both of your devices, you can now go ahead and see a brand new application called iPhone mirroring. You can just go ahead and open up this specific application right here. From there, you can then go ahead and connect both of your devices through C cable. Right after connecting both of the devices, a message will show up on your iPhone screen, and you want to make sure that you click on the allow button. From there, you will now be able to see or control your iPhone from your MacBook. If this video has been helpful, leave us a like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one. Thank you.